How to add Clyde bot on Discord server. Hey there, in today's video I'll show you how to add Clyde bot to your Discord server using your PC. Clyde bot can help you manage your server and keep things running smoothly, so let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your browser or the desktop app and make sure you're logged into your account. You also need to have administrator permissions for the server where you want to add the bot. Next, head to the browser and search for Clyde bot Discord or visit the official bot listing website like top.gg. Find Clyde bot's page, then click invite or add to Discord. Once you click invite, you'll be redirected to a permissions page, so select the server you want to add Clyde bot to, then select continue. Review the permissions and click authorize. You need to complete the captcha to confirm you're human for this process. And that's it, Clyde bot is now added to your Discord server. You can start using it right away to help manage and automate tasks. For more tips, check out the video description. Thanks for watching.